Keep your spaces safe and organized with the floor cable protector from quality distributors. Ideal for events, studios, conference rooms, banquet halls, residences, industrial work floors, offices, and auditoriums, among other spaces. Each mat has a length of 3 feet and a width of 6 inches. The anti-slip design with sloped sides ensures both safety and comfort while walking. With its dual channels, the mat ensures a smooth and clutter-free flow for your cables and wires. Each channel has a breadth of 30 mm approximately, allowing ample space for cables and wires to pass through efficiently. Both channels have a height of approximately 14 mm, ensuring secure and organized cable placement. With male and female ends, you can effortlessly create a custom-length cable protector by simply joining multiple mats together. Disassembling the mats is just as easy as installing them, saving you time and effort. Crafted from durable rubber, this eco-friendly mat offers long-lasting performance and a sustainable choice for your cable management needs. Choose quality distributors for unmatched reliability and superior matting solutions. Follow us for more.